My name is Wenjem Abigail. I am in level 1. The whole this week we have been talking of computers. Computers are super smart machines that work with information, games, and pictures. We'll talk about parts of computers. We have the input parts of computers and the output part. Input parts of the computer are those parts that send information into the computer, and output parts of the computers are those parts of the computer that send information out of the computer. After that, we talked about hardware and software. Hardware are those things that we can see and touch, and software are those things that we cannot see and we cannot touch. We also talked about binary. Binary is the machine language. A machine does not understand our language, which is English, Pidgin, and French. It understands binary, which is ones and zeros. When we give a computer anything to solve for us, it sees it as ones and zeros, but it has a way that it gives us in our language. That's why we learn the whole this week, and today we learn. And yesterday we learned of files, how to create files and folders. Today we learn how to work in groups as a team. That's what I've learned this week. Thank you.